So as you mentioned that you have doubt in the simultaneous equation in the graphical method, right? Okay.
Ye- Yes, sir.
Simultaneous equation is also known as the system of equation, which I have already explained to you, system of equations, right? It could be the
Yes,
linear,
sir.
it could be the quadratic, it could be the cubic, but as for now, we're gonna do the linear simultaneous equations and all that, right? So we have already discussed like how many ways to solve it, or what are the most common ways. Basically, we have a basically four most common ways that we can use it. The first is that we have elimination method that we can use to solve it, right? And the second we
Yes.
have substitution method. Third, we have a cross multiplication. Okay, multiplication method. And the lastly, we have a graphical method, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have already covered like all of them, right? But some of the questions like you really feel, the confused, like how to solve the graphical uh, method of the, simultaneous equation, right? So I've just taken a example. One is the very basic one, and other will I'll take the difficulties one, right? Okay. So we have a two equation over here. X plus y equals to 14, and then x minus y equals to 3.
3.
ठीक है? तो हमने सबसे पहले what we need to do कि हमें जो equations है we have to change the subject so that the all can be written in the terms of x or in the terms of y. So I can rearrange it like this. X equals to 15, take away y, isn't it? Right? Okay. We can arrange
Okay,
it.
sir.
Okay, that's fine. Now, and after arranging it, what we need to do, we just make a table, right? Tabular form. So I'm gonna just show you the table. Like I need to find three values, basically. I will not find more than three values, but I'll just find only the three values of this one. So let me just put over here the graph, right? Okay. So suppose this is the equation. This is the equation number one you have, all right? And you can assume it, let's suppose this is the x here and this is the y. You have to find the value of x and you can put any values of y over here. If I suppose, if I put y equals to 2, if I put y equals to 2 in this equation, so what could be the x? 15 take
Sir, no.
away 2. So 13, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If I can take any
Sir,
values, right?
sir,
Yes.
but why you have chosen y as 2?
Because you can take any values. See, x plus y equals to 14 we have, right? So which means there is two values of x. There are many solutions. You can take 1 plus 14 equals 1 plus 14 equals to 15. You can take 2 plus 13 equals to 15, right? So there are the two
Yes.
numbers. When you add them, that will be equals to 15. Understood? So I can take, this is the equation. I can take any values. I can put any values over here. Y. I can put negative, even positive, right? In this equation to get the x. Let's suppose I'm gonna taking negative 4. Y is negative 4. Put the y here, the negative 4. And what could be the x?
19.
X become 19. Very good, right? And if I put y is 6, then what could be the x?
9.
X will be the 9. So this is the first equation is completely solved, right? Similarly, we have to do the second equation, right? So I can just rearrange it. So I can write x equals to 3 plus y. So this is the second equation. Okay. Same thing. I'm going to do a table. And which is 1, 2, 3, and 2. Fine. Okay. Let's put over here x and y. Fine. So what we need to put, let's suppose if I put y equals to 0, the what could be the x?
3.
3.
3
If
only.
Yeah, exactly. If I put y is negative 2, then
1.
1, right? If I put y is suppose 5,
Then it will be 8.
8, right? So now you have solutions. You have a coordinates from equation 1 and equation 2. You can use these coordinates, right? You have to find maximum 3, minimum 2, maximum 3 solution of each equations, right? By assuming. You can assume any number. Okay, it depends upon you, like how you can assume it, but you can't assume the larger number because you have to plot the graph on your paper. Okay, so try to assume only that number which can be accommodate, which can you can draw on your graph. Suppose like if you assume like 1 million, it is not possible to draw, like it can, you can draw it, but it takes time, isn't it? So now we have a
Yes.
coordinates. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 2, right? So I'm going to use this coordinates to draw a graph. Let me draw a graph for you. So let me jump on the next page. And there is a graph. So I need to take a graph paper. Yeah. See, this is the graph I have, right? Okay. And you should put one eye. You should have one eye on this equation, right? And another eye is on this graph table. Got it? Can I make it smaller one? Or no, fine. That's it. Or if I want to make it smaller one, let's see how can I make it smaller one. To make it as small as I can do it. Okay, fine. Let it do. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the graph over here. So let me put the line. Okay, fine. So I've drawn the line and you can put the coordinates. You can put the coordinates like this. So let's see, the maximum value of x is 19, right? Positive 1. Can you see? If you see the value of the maximum value of x, whether it is a positive or negative, the maximum value of x is 19, right? And the maximum value for
Yes.
y is, let's suppose 5. I can draw that thing as per the numbers. So if it is negative value or positive 19, so how can I put? We don't have such space. So I can take the 2 times table. So if I take 2, 4, 6, 8, right? 10, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I can take this is the 19. Sorry, 20. Isn't it? Right? Done?
Yes, sir.
This is the 20. And if I taken this is 1 and then I can take this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. Let's take some negative values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. And do we have more negative values for y? It is negative 4. We have till negative 4. So it is not like, so what I need to do? Let me just increase the graph. This is the negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Okay. Let me just draw this line. This point. Fine. Okay. Now I have all the values of the graph. Now let's jump on the equation 1. So you can take one coordinates. X is 13, y is 2. X is 13 and y is 2. Where is x 13? X is 13 in between this and y is 2. So you can put here, like in just between. This is the one coordinate. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
second coordinate is
This
x is 19 and y is negative 4.
4.
X is 19 and y is negative 4. So I can draw x is 19. This is y is negative 4. So I can put in exactly in between this one, right?
Yes, sir.
And the thirdly, I have what? X is 9, y is 6. X is 9, y is 6. So where is 9 and 6 is 5 and 6 is there, right? Isn't it? So 9 and 6, I can put it here. So now what you can see that the coordinates, right? Let me just draw a line and you will see that all the coordinates are on the same line. Just adjust it, right? Almost on their same line. Understood? So this is the equation 1. You can write this equation like equation number 1. Similarly, I have to do for the another one. So for another one, x3, y0, x3, y0. So x3 here and y0. So I can put this point x3, y0. Done. Next point, x1, y negative 2. x1, y negative 2. It must be here, right? Okay. And the third, x8, y5. x8, y5, like here. Exactly. Done it. Now draw the another line. Okay. So you can see, cross it, right? Now, when you draw this line, so you will see that where these two lines intersect each other, this line will intersect at this point, isn't it? Right? So this is the solution of equation. This is what? This is the solution. Okay. So you can check that. So x is what? X is 9. Isn't it? And y is what? Y is 6. Right? So this is the solution. This is your answer. Understood? Just
So why x is 9 and y is 6? How?
see, x is 9 because when you draw a line, let me just draw it with a different color, dotted one, and see. Draw a line like from here, a vertical line, and
Okay.
another this one. Got it? Now you will
Okay.
understand. So x is
Understood.
6 and y is 9. Understood? So that's how that
Yes,
we
sir.
can do it. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Correct, right? So this is the way that we can solve it a simultaneous equation. And this is the linear one because when you draw the graphing, right? So you will see that all the lines are straight. So this is the very easy peasy one. Let me do one, which is the difficult one. Now the difficult one, we can say the complex one. Now another equation. Okay. Again, we have to rearrange it in that way so that we could have a like the x term or y term. So I can just rearrange it like this. 4x equals to 5, take away 9y, isn't it? Then x will be 5, take away 9y upon 4. Clear? Any doubt? Hello? This
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. Similarly, I can do this one. So here you can see the x is negative. You can put on the right hand side. So you will put 3y equals to 8 plus 5x, right? And then y equals to 8 plus 5x upon 3. Now, again make the table. 1, 2, 3. One table for this and I can take the another table. This is a table for another equation. Okay. Now, what value that you can put in this equation 1 so that you can get the y, x, and make sure that it is being divided by 4. So if I take y is 1, then 5 take away 9, which is negative 4, and negative 4 divided by 4, you will get what? Negative 1, isn't it? Just hello, hello, hello. Just are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Yeah. You understood now, like how I solved it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what value that you can put over here? Any number in your mind, then you can put it over here and then divide it by 4.
Sir, can you see my face?
No, your camera is off.
Sir, now?
Yeah, it's blurry, but I can't see your face. Now your camera is on, but your face is not coming. Okay, leave that part, no
Okay.
worries. First tell me, like, can you see this one? What values then you can put over here to solve it? Like, is there any number that I have taken one, right? Can I take it, like, for example, what else that you can put it? If I put it 2, so it's 18. 18 take away 9, 5 take away 18, so we will have negative 13
By 4.
by 4 now. So negative 13 by 4. So try to take any number y like 0.5 like this, okay? So then you can easily drop plot on a graph, right? When you have like 0.1, 0.73, it is difficult to plot it on a graph, okay? So what number you can take it? Any idea?
22 by 4.
Hmm.
56. No idea, sir.
Or you can just take it, it is 9 times table. So can I take it like, for example, 4 times table? 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. If I take the 4, so 96, 36, take away 5. Again, I'm not getting the number, right?
No.
What about the 2?
6.
What about the 2? I mean 3,
9.
27.
9.
If you're putting the
9
9,
6. 54.
9 6 are
39. No.
54. Again, you're not getting the number. 9
9
5s
hundred
are 9 5s are
45.
9 5s are
45.
45. Exactly right.
45.
So you can do the,
Ha.
so if I take the y is equals to 9, right? So 9 5s are 45. So which is 40 and
So
it's
y
here.
is equal to 5? No.
Sorry.
Y is equal to 5? No.
Sorry. Yeah, my bad. Y is equals to 5. Okay. So 45 and what do you have? 40, right?
Yes, sir.
So
40 by
negative
4, it
10.
means
Negative 10, right?
yes.
Again, what else then you can take it? Any number? Tell me one more number that I need it.
That is 22. Sir, 8 we can take.
8, you can put it 9 times 8 is 72. It's not going to divide by 4, right? Divisible by 4.
72 minus 5,
7,
67.
yes, not coming.
Minus 81. Sir, yes, we can take 9.
9. So 9, okay, so let's put the 9. 9, 9 is 89, right? 81,
89. 81.
81 take away 5. What you will get?
76.
76. And 76 divided by 4.
14 times. No, sorry. 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 58, 72. 19 times.
19 times, right? Okay, so I have simplified the first equation. Okay. Similarly, you can try for the second one. Here is the x and here is the y. Now you have to put the value of x, isn't it, to get the y, right? X, if I put x is 2, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 divided by 3, 6.
6.
Done. Next,
We can take 5 into 15, 13. No. 8. No. Yes, we can take 5.
5,
Yes.
so 15, which is 11, right? Okay, right? And then we
And
can take like 8.
yes.
Okay, then what you will get?
3,
16,
16.
right? So you got this value, isn't it, right? Now use this equation, plot So again, I'm gonna use the graph. Where is the graph? Okay, no worries. Let's take this one. Okay, already the numbers is there, right? And now, okay, fine. This is the graph I have. Now compare the what is the maximum value of y. X, we don't have such a positive value of x, but we have plus 8 and negative 18. So I can move it by 2 times table, isn't it? So
So
I can,
always we have to choose the biggest number in axis. Like always we have to choose the biggest number.
no, it doesn't mean, it doesn't matter that, right? See why it is not important. It depends upon like the, you can see that when you're plotting the graph. So x is what? What is the negative maximum number? Is negative 19, right? And maximum for positive is 8. So you have to take one more number extra. If it is negative 19, you should take negative 20. Okay. And if it is 8 positive, so you should take 9. One number always extra. So I can do it like 2 times table. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Let me just use different color.
The
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right. Similarly over here, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, negative 12, negative 13, sorry, 12, 14, then 16, then 18, then 20. Got it? I have got it, right? And now, similarly for y, all are positive, right? So we don't have to worry about the negative one. So it is 16. Let's take one extra. Okay, so 16 is there. So it is 2, again 4, this is 6, this is what?
8.
8, this is 10, this is 12, this is 14, and let's suppose this is 16 and this is 18, right? Isn't it? 18. Right. Now plot this graph. Number 1, x is negative 1, y is 1. X is negative 1, y is 1. So it will be in the center, negative 1 and 1, right? So it is like somewhere here, isn't it? Right? X is negative 1, y is positive 1. Understood? Hello? Is it clear to you? Right. Next. Y is 5, x is negative 10, and y is 5. X is negative 10 and y is 5. So negative 10 and 5. Where is that? 5 in the middle, negative 10. Fine. Next, 9, negative 19. 9, negative 19. So negative 19 and the 9. Negative 19 and the 9. Right. Can you see this one in the middle one? Right. Okay. I have drawn. Now let's draw a line. Okay. This is the first equation.
Equation 1.
You can write equation 1. And the second one. Second is x2, y6. x2, y6. 2 and 6. Here. Right. Next. 11 and 5. 5 and 11. 5 and 11 in the center. Okay. And the next 8 and 16. 8 and 16, like here. For the table. Yes, matching one, isn't it? And please check that where the two lines are intersecting. Here, isn't
And
it? Right? So what you can write solution? So you will write solution that x equals to -1 and y equals to 1. So this is your answer. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So ये था मेरे पास में क्या कि डिपेंड करता है हमारे पास में कि हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट द सिमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन.